Fuwawa's chickens. that was so funny. Yeah, Fuwawa's chickens are gone. Elizabeth in brain. What? Fuwawa's chickens? Poor Fuwawa.
Flashback.
Who's doing all that? Oh, look, they're all following Fuwawa.
Danger.
Right.
Yeah, I think
Cute.
you may
They love you. I wish chicks would follow me.
If I were
Chickens.
the one with the side chick.
The calm before the storm.
Everybody gather. Everybody gather.
It from me.
I don't think my side
Look at them all following.
older people. Look at them all.
Everybody
you.
likes an older person.
You've got an audience.
The finale will begin in 5 minutes.
Oh my god, what are we doing?
World.
What are we doing before the end of the world? I'm talking to this peasant that is trying to say that she is perfectly.
With the youngsters, they get so fired up so quickly.
What are you doing, Mococo? I didn't do anything.
Are you killing your own? What have you done? What have you done? They were innocent chickens.
My chickens. I guess I don't eat these anymore, huh? There's fire! Pow pow! What? What is this chaos?
End of flashback.
Where are my chickens? Why? that was such a sad sign. That sign was so sad. Man, she fell in love with them so fast. That's very cute. That is very cute. I did see the clip of them, like her with the seeds and them following her. I thought that was so cute. I saw that clip. I was like, oh, it's so cute. It's very Fuwawa. Yeah, it's so cute. She just wanted a peaceful life with the chickens. Yeah. I couldn't believe it though. Out of character, I was like, oh.